Hello, good morning, everyone. I hope you are well. So this is our sixth time, right?
Yes, sir. It's our sixth meeting.
Yes, great, Adam. Thanks. So at least, yeah, we will have one more session, yeah, to finish our conceptual thinking regarding the COBIT, yeah. And then don't forget that you need to take the exam, right? The mid exam, which actually is almost similar, yeah, with the quizzes that you have done for the second time, right? And then I think that you will have another one, if I'm not mistaken. Probably it will be delivered next week, yeah. And then in week the 8th, and then you will have your mid exam according to the schedule, yeah, arranged by the study program, right? So please mind yourself, yeah, be prepared because I'm sure it is not easy. Hopefully that you will do it well, yeah, and you will get a good score. And the most important thing is you understand, yeah, that's my goals, that you really understand what is the meaning behind every conceptual that we have learned, yeah, within the class and within your discussion and also your tasks. And not to mention, I hope that you also get some experience, yeah, regarding the implementation. So you will have like a vivid image, yeah, how actually this kind of strategic level things, yeah, really implemented, yeah, really be implemented in the real life, yeah. Uh, okay, last time we still have last material, right? So we didn't finish yet, yeah, the BAI because it has so many GMOs, yeah, governance management objectives. And also we have a quiz, yeah, previously in the beginning. So we don't have much time to finish our material. Hopefully, yeah, we will finish it today, the last of the BAI GMOs, yeah. And also we continue to the last one, yeah. Not the last one, DSS, yeah. And also for the next week is the MEA, yeah. So let me check. Before we continue our session, so if you have some questions, discussions, yeah, whatever that you think it is still unclear, because we also you also have submitted your individual tasks, right? So I'm sure that you will have some experience on how to answer, yeah, in essay. So it also will be similar, yeah, with the mid exam that you will face the next in the next week, yeah. You will have the multiple choices just like in the you can say in the quizzes, right? And then also you will have the essay, yeah. So that's the things that we will face. All right. I am trying to find the other one files here, which is actually we should have the DSS first. Yeah, I'm sure that coordinators, Parian is already prepared that one. Okay, this one, yeah. So please share your video, yeah, and then we discuss first, yeah, regarding the BAI, and then we will continue to the DSS, yeah. So basically, BAI is about how can you develop, yeah, the solution according to the strategic vision, yeah, according to the strategic plan that you have already defined in previous domain, yeah, and then you put it into the right requirements, yeah, and then you continue to the technicalities. You choose, yeah, the right approach, yeah, whether is it the software development life cycle, yeah, or system development life cycle. You can always choose the traditional way, like the waterfall, yeah, and also you can choose the latest advance, yeah, within the system development method, just like using the agile framework, yeah, agile manifesto. So that's the challenge until you will have like credentialing or accreditation, yeah, for your solution, and also the change management, yeah, so to make sure that everything that you have built, yeah, will be used, yeah, accordingly, yeah, and then the users and all of the organization, yeah, components will have the benefits, yeah, as proposed, yeah, in the early phase. So that's the things, yeah, regarding the BAI. So I want you to think carefully, yeah. Uh, Wait a minute, I try to find the folders here. Okay. Oops, it feels a bit slow, yeah, my computer here, because probably I opened too many files, and also my hard disk is already uh, almost in full capacity, so I need to do something about it. It is a bit slow. Hopefully it will not crash, yeah, during our meetings. Okay, yeah, I have already downloaded one. So yeah, where is the video here? Keep on top, yeah. So I will see you. What is this? Okay. So yeah, it's already 10 minutes. Running session right now, and then here we go. Yeah, I really hate when the computer is so slow. Yeah, and not to mention that Zoom usually take many resources. Yeah, and that's the condition. So yeah, last week you already discussed about this 11 processes or GMOs, yeah, of COBIT EAI, and you also have discussed within your group, yeah. And then for sure, I would like you to share your opinion, yeah. What is actually BAI here? Last time, I remember that we already arrived, yeah, to IT change, yeah, acceptance and also transition. So I would like I'm sure that we have two more groups, yeah, that can share their thoughts, yeah, regarding this BAI. So let us do without the, let's see. No, not this one. Okay. Yeah, I already shared the screen right now. So here we go. Yeah, I'm sure that you will, the screen will be there. So Now it's the turn for the third group, yeah. So please show your video. Third group, who are you? And then please be prepared as well, yeah, for the fourth group, yeah. To discuss again, to continue discuss, yeah, about the last domain or last GMOs, yeah, the second last GMOs. Okay, where are you guys? Group 4, group 3?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Pin.
Yes.
So how many of you in group 3? Zaki?
5, sir.
Okay. So please write your video and then show your face, yeah. So I hope that it will yeah, give us more view for sure, yeah. No worries with your face, yeah. You actually need to open your cam, yeah, because it will make us like, yeah, in the real class. Otherwise it will be like facing somebody, yeah, in the mirror, even it is only yourself, right? So I already face your name here. So I have Kevin here and also Zaki. And who else? Zaki?
Zaki, Raffi, and Robbie, I still contact him, sir.
Okay, and then who are the other two?
And the other is Rivaldi.
Rivaldi. Oh yeah, Rivaldi is also here. So I hope the connection is better right now, Rivaldi. I send my condolences. Yeah, hopefully rest in peace. Yeah, for your father. Is it Rivaldi, right?
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Zaki, Kevin, Rivaldi, can you show your screen? And then who else? Zaki, Rafi, yeah, and the other one, the last one?
Robbie, sir.
Okay, yeah, Robbie's not here yet, yeah. No worries, yeah. Hopefully every one of you will be here. And please always prepare, yeah, that showing your face will increase, yeah, will increase your attention to the course, yeah. Otherwise, usually you will have some distractions, yeah, within your room to understand more about this course. Actually, yeah, this is not a really easy course, you know, because it is a kind of strategic things, yeah. And still you still not have probably some experience, yeah, regarding the real world, regarding the organizations, yeah. So you need to have much more visualization here in this course, yeah. Okay, so what do you think about this BII 8 and also BII 9? Come on, Zaki, you can begin first, yeah, and then you can always ask for your the other helps, yeah. No worries about that.
Okay, sir. Maybe let me first explain the BA.
Okay, good.
I will to explain the BA, identify and classify source of information for governance and management of IT.
So what is it actually? I hope you don't just read the text, yeah. You just spell your understanding, yeah. You just let it out, yeah, according to your knowledge and also your understanding and also your discussion within your group, yeah. This is about the knowledge. Yeah, knowledge. What is it actually? And then why is it need to be managed? Yeah, and then how can we manage this kind of things? Yeah, and then what is actually the relevance? Yeah, and also the relationship with the whole concept of IT governance and management. Yeah, I will jump into the page. Yeah, the page is here. You also can check with your own material. Yeah. So this is actually the managed knowledge. Yeah. So what do you think about this managed knowledge? Yeah. Please don't read the text. Yeah. Just spell it out. Yeah. What is actually what is knowledge? Yeah. Why knowledge need to be managed? Yeah. What kind of output that you would like to have from this GMO? Yeah. And then yeah. What is the relevance with the whole course here? Be my guess, Kevin and friend. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Hmm.
Can you give some a brief example? What is knowledge? Can you mention some example about knowledge? Let's say for managing the IT, yeah, in your company, what kind of knowledge that you need, yeah, to make sure that everything run well?
I think is knowledge is fact or information that we know about the skills.
Okay, you mentioned about the skills, right? So it actually have relations, yeah, with this word skills, yeah.
Um,
Do you think it is the same knowledge and skills? You can always get the help, yeah, from others in the group, yeah. And if the group can answer that, you can always ask for somebody else, yeah, within the class, yeah. Just ask them and make them show their face, yeah, and then let's discuss lively, yeah, within this class, yeah. I don't want this class to be dead class, yeah. It's only shown the text, yeah. It's very kind of boring actually, yeah. I don't like it, the situation when I only face some text, yeah, in my screen, because it's not a really effective class actually, yeah. All right. So what do you think, Kevin? You can always jump in, yeah, into the discussion here. Zaki, yeah, and also Rivaldi. Rivaldi, please show your screen, yeah, and then also if the other guys are joining, yeah, that will be good, yeah. And of course, the other members of other groups, yeah, the rest of the class, yeah, please don't ini ya, I mean please brave yourself. I mean let's participate. I mean, yeah, let's contribute to the class. Yeah, not just sitting and hide behind your video. That's not really a good situation actually. Yeah. Right. Yeah. No worries with your face. I know that you just probably get up from your bed or something. Yeah. Kind? Okay, great guys. So Kevin, let's continue. Yeah, no worries. If
yeah,
you think that you need help, just ask. Yeah, about
okay.
Zaki's perspective or about Arifaldi as well. Yeah, or you can also ask other guys here. You have so many classmates here, right? So don't worry. Yeah, just share the risk. Yeah, to them. You know, just share the risk to them. Yeah, you risk share it to them. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, maybe.
Mhm.
Oh,
I want to explain the difference about knowledge and skill in my opinion,
Okay.
sir.
Great.
In my opinion, knowledge is fact or understanding about something, and skill is that you are able to do something, sir.
Okay, yeah. So it is kind of different things, yeah. Skill is more something that more technical, yeah. More within really close with your hands actually. Knowledge is something that inside your head usually, right? Knowledge is something that you know. That's why it is called as knowledge, yeah. And then skills is something that you can do, right? So it is more like hands-on, Yeah, something that you can do by your hands, let's say. Yeah. And then what do you think about the relation between knowledge and also information here? Yeah, because the purpose stated here is knowledge and information required, yeah, to support all staff, right, in the governance and management of enterprise IT and allow for informed decision making. So you see here, yeah, there are some keywords, yeah. That's actually the right words, yeah, to connect each other and to understand thoroughly, yeah, regarding this knowledge and knowledge management, yeah, or manage knowledge. Okay, so please continue. Have you heard about this word of DIKW? DIKW. It is on on the book actually. Yeah, D is from data. Yeah, I is from information. Yeah. Sorry. DKAV. Yeah. DKIW, I think. Yeah. So the first one is data. Yeah. Data, and then you process the data, becoming the information. Yeah. Information is something that will be beneficial. And it will become the knowledge, yeah, something in your head, yeah, that that will be useful for you, yeah, to find to the next level, which is called as W, yeah, the wisdom, yeah. So wisdom is something that very beneficial, yeah, for helping your organization. So you know yourself, yeah, you know what to do, yeah. You know your position, you know your profession, you know your jobs, yeah. What to do to support the organization, to support the companies, let's say. Okay, right, yeah. So that's actually the relationship, yeah, and also you need to manage the connection, yeah, with the governance and management of IT, yeah. INT, remember, it is not only IT, but INT, yeah, information and technology, because that's actually two different things, right? Not only information technology. Okay, let's connect to the governance and management, yeah. I'm sure that you still remember, yeah, Rivaldi, let's say, yeah, about the governance and management objectives, yeah. So let's relate, yeah, this knowledge and informations, yeah, with the objective of the governance and management. Will it helps, yeah, will it helps this governance management achievement, let's say, yeah. What do you think about this, Rivaldi?
The connection between governments
Governance management. You remember about
management.
governance management? So what is the
Uh,
difference between both of them? I'm sure that it was in your task like last week, right? We can always
yeah.
check, yeah, in your task that already submitted to the system, yeah. I think it will be the only one individual task, so it will be very worth it, yeah, to contribute to your score, yeah, actually. I know you have so many noises here. Probably it's from the link or something. And then please find the information, everybody. Yeah, just you'll try to find something there. Yeah, and you can probably mute first. Yeah, because we have some noises in the class. Yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah.
from the mic.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know. Probably the configuration. Yeah, just check it out. Yeah,
There is some static electrical,
yeah,
so
right.
so
Yeah, I thought it
yeah.
came from the mic or something. Yeah, from your headphone probably.
For
Yeah.
from my mic, sir. There is
Okay.
electrical static
Yeah, that's
in my
why. Yeah,
computer.
probably you can just unplug the I mean the headphone. You can try to use other combination. Yeah, because the laptop also have the mic, right? So you can try to use the alternative, yeah, and then you can try to speak again, yeah, within the class. All right, yeah. Wow, okay, yeah. Somebody, the class is reducing right now, yeah. So I don't know. Somebody is alright, probably, yeah, to discuss something like this, yeah. So they are just left the class. I don't know. Hopefully that's not the condition, yeah. Okay, Ridwan, it's good, yeah. Thanks to show your face, yeah. Faras as well, yeah. Just now, I don't know why he hide again. Uh-huh. Okay,
Oh, wait,
Ridwan.
sir. I'm just doing
Uh-huh.
my camera.
Yeah, so no problem. I'm just kidding, okay? Please don't ini ya, don't take into your heart, okay? Right, Ridwan. So what do you think? Knowledge, information, wisdom, yeah, and then governance and management, right? The differences between governance and management, yeah. That governance is the board level accountability, and management is the management level, yeah, under the boards, yeah, under the commissioner, under the directors, yeah. You will have the leaders of the business, right? For example, the marketing leaders, yeah, the operational leaders, yeah, the human capital leaders, yeah. And then of course in IT you have so many leaders as well, yeah, like the head development, head operations, yeah, and then head of administration, you can say, yeah, and also you have other position within the IT division, let's say, yeah. So you still remember that actually there are you can set three objectives, yeah, of the governance and management. Yeah, the first is to optimize, yeah, the resources and also the risk. The second one, yeah, and the last is to get the benefit, yeah, to realize the benefit. Okay. So do you have any comments, Ridwan, regarding this knowledge and also the relation with the governance and management? And also we have these four, yeah, we have these four, so we can always go back to the group again, yeah, share your understanding about these four practices, you call it, right? And you can always ask for other helps, yeah, here in the class. I'm sure that they are willing to help us. Yeah, we have Adam, we have Daniel, yeah. Daniel already joined the class twice, yeah. The first time is the previous hour, yeah, before, yeah. So he's very diligent, yeah, to check in to the class, yeah, and then left and also joining again, yeah. And also we have other guys here for sure, yeah. We have Ned, we have Abdul Salam, yeah. We have Nabil as well, yeah. And Maria, yeah. Maria last time having trouble, I think, yeah. And then also Berlian here, okay. So we have many people here. I think it's enough, yeah, to set up a good condition within a discussion, yeah. Although it will be handicapped, yeah, by not showing your face, because it is actually disturbing, yeah, if we only see or we only chat with or discuss with some kind of text, yeah, spelled by your name there. Right, yeah, come on. Ridwan, do you have any comments?
For me, the difference between the knowledge, information, and wisdom, there is have like hierarchy between of them. The below's one is the information, and then go to the up is knowledge, and go to the top is the wisdom.
Yes.
And the understanding about it, the information is like we transform the raw data in example in Excel or in the computer to be the information that can be use it in the in the company.
Yes.
Exactly. And then for the knowledge,
yes,
it's like the experience of the maybe the employees that or mm, they knowledge uh, about what they have experience in the company, and that can make more give the value added for the company. And example, there is example the manager that have more experience work in the company, example 5 years, and
Yeah.
then he know the process from the input until the output.
Yes.
There is the knowledge, and then it can be make the knowledge to be example diagram or something like that,
Yes. Yes.
to make more the another employee or new employee to know the process or the knowledge that
Yes. Yes.
already have from the uh, senior employee
Yeah.
about the company. Yeah, something
Yeah,
like that.
good, Ridwan. Yeah, that's a good point, Ridwan. Yeah, you mentioned about how the data, yeah, transform into the information. Of course, it is supported by the INT, yeah, the technology, the system, yeah, the software that you use, and then it will process, yeah, your data, yeah, every kind of data, yeah, that are collected by the by the organization, yeah, and then they process it under the formula that required by the organization, right? Because it depends on the objective of the organization, right? How to process the data. They will have the production data, probably. They will have the research data, yeah. They also will have the operational data. They will have the financial data, yeah. They will need to process all the data, yeah, becoming the information that will be beneficial, yeah, for the organization. For probably some of the guys there, yeah, some of the guys here, there, yeah, and then at the end it will benefit all the organization, yeah. Okay, that's good, yeah. And it will spread the information will be gathered, yeah, learned by the people there, yeah. They will have the knowledge, yeah, within their head, yeah, and then they will use it as the wisdom, yeah, to share, yeah, to share their wisdom, yeah, as Ridwan mentioned, that they can spread the words, spread the knowledge, yeah, to others, yeah. So it can be in the form of uh, like uh, mentorship, probably, yeah, or education, or actually within the real practices, yeah, in the organization. See, here we have four, yeah, we have four practices. The first one is to identify, yeah, and also classify the sources of information, yeah, uh, that will enable the governance and management. Still remember, yeah, governance and management is about how to effectively, efficiently, yeah, manage or optimize, yeah, your resources, yeah. Remember, you have many resources, yeah, although it is, I'm sure it will be very limited, yeah, actually, yeah. You have the where, yeah, the firmwares, remember, yeah, the software, the hardware, yeah, the brainware, and also the infoware. Everything is the resources, yeah. And you would like to have the benefit from this kind of investment when you buy, yeah, on where you create something like this fourwares, yeah, the resources, yeah, the assets. That's why. And you will also need the information from this managed knowledge, yeah, to manage the risk, right? To optimize the risk, to prepare for the future, yeah, because risk is about the future, yeah. This is about the how to learn about the previous things that you learn, yeah, experience into the one that will be happen in the future, yeah. Whether is it negative things, yeah, scenario negative that can be happen, and also the positive things, yeah, the opportunity that you would like to have, yeah, to achieve your goals, yeah, and then you would like to optimize all the things there, yeah, to go forward, right? Yeah, and achieving your organization objectives. Okay, and then also right, remember, yeah, actually you will have the tacit and also the explicit knowledge. Yeah, tacit is something reside in the head of every people in your organizations. Yeah, they learn and learn and learn, and their head getting bigger. Yeah, their head getting bigger with knowledge, right? And then don't forget that you need to also put it, yeah, into the explicit knowledge. I mean that you have to put it back into the like copy, yeah, or write into the systems, yeah, about all the knowledge, yeah, about how to operate the organization, about how to manage the server, about in IT side, yeah, how to create the website, let's say, yeah, how to do everything in your organization or in your IT division, yeah. I will say it is only the example, and then put it into the system, yeah, becoming the explicit knowledge, yeah. Let's say by the help from the learning management system there, yeah. That's something that you also use, yeah, in your course, right? So it is called as explicit knowledge, yeah, something that already written, yeah, becoming the knowledge then will be able to be learned by others as well, yeah. So that's the cycle, yeah. That's the cycle. You can share the knowledge, yeah, from person to person, yeah, just like Ridwan mentioned. And also you can put, yeah, the knowledge into the books, yeah, into the LMS, yeah, into the PDF, yeah, into the modules, everything, yeah, that you can also share, yeah, into the community, into the group, into the unit, yeah, for what kind of a reason is it? And then they will learn, yeah, from the system, from the books, from the PDF, yeah, from the computers, yeah, from the LMS, anything, yeah. So that's the cycle within knowledge management, yeah. Please remember about that, yeah. The second is to organize and also contextualize the information into knowledge, yeah. So organize information based on the criteria here, remember, yeah. So that's the very basic things, very important things that information need to be classified, yeah, otherwise it will be useless, it will be hard to discern, yeah, to get the benefit from the information, yeah, if you don't classify its of information, yeah, including you need to make sure that you have the access classification, yeah, from the most public one, yeah, something that everybody can know about that, yeah, until the very secret things, yeah, that you need to take care within your organization, within your company, yeah. For example, yeah, the financial data, yeah. What do you think, Faras? Financial data, is it kind of something like can be consumed by public, or is it something that actually need to be taken care or need to know basis only by the leaders, let's say? So let's discuss about this. What do you think, Faris?
Sir, I think about the financial data is can only be accessible by those who in the higher ups, maybe, sir,
Yeah.
because I think the other employee in the organizations maybe don't really have to know about the financial situation, sir,
Yeah, with
about
the
the
organization.
organization. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
right. Yeah, good, Faras. Yeah, that's a very good comments there. So information is something that need to know basis, right? So it depends who are you, what your roles, what are your roles in the organization, right? So you will know the things that you only need to know, right? So that this concept, yeah, of classification, categorization, what is the important things, what is really accessible for you, yeah, it need to be managed, yeah, it need to be classified, categorized, yeah. So everyone is only know what they need to know, yeah, that how the organization work, right? Yeah, for the example, this kind of financial things, right? Good, Faras, yeah. And then uh, use and share knowledge, yeah, the third practice here, yeah. Propagate, yeah, no, propagate, yeah, distribute, disseminate, yeah, and then all the knowledge resources to relevant stakeholders and communicate, yeah, how these resources can be used, yeah, to address different needs. See, yeah. So this knowledge is needed, yeah, for you to solve your problem, yeah. Knowledge will be like changed into the skills, right? Skills, something that relies on your hand, let's say, yeah. something in your head, and then you need to practice it using your skills. Yeah. For example, yeah, about the financial information. Yeah, and then of course there is someone, yeah, or some unit that need to take care about the information, about the financial information there. Yeah, they need to have the right skills, right? The right skills. Yeah. For example, to perform the accounting, yeah, to perform the accounting, yeah, to take a notes, yeah, to prepare a journals, yeah, the journals, yeah, about the transaction of the money, yeah, and then you put it, yeah, into the report, right? So you will have the financial report, you will have the ratios, yeah, so you will know is your company is healthy or no, gitu ya. So that's the condition. Okay. Good, yeah. And then the last one is evaluate and update the retire information. Okay? Here, yeah, you also need to evaluate, yeah, currency relevance, yeah, and also retire obsolete information. Here means that information has its life cycle, right? Yeah, sometimes it will be obsolete, right? There will be obsolete, yeah, in the future, right? It will no it will have no relation anymore, let's say. Yeah, it is not relevant anymore for you. Yeah, for example, if you just graduate, yeah, from Telkom University, then you will face new world. Yeah, you will be let's say you will work, yeah, somewhere else. Yeah, and then the more information that you experience, yeah, that you get within the university level, it can be left behind, yeah, because it is already obsolete. You need to learn something new, yeah, to update your knowledge, right? That's the condition. Okay. Good, yeah, that's the managed knowledge and a good discussion within the class. Yeah, let's continue again. So, any group mates from group 3 already here? Rafi, not yet here. Yeah, and the last one is, I forgot.
Robbie, sir.
Robbie, but not here, yeah. Oh, Robbie here. Okay, yeah. So I hope you already prepare, Robbie. I mean that it doesn't matter, yeah, whether probably you just you have something to do previously, yeah, so you late joining the class, yeah, and then let's discuss about this, Robbie. Can you show your face, yeah, so I can remember who is Robbie, yeah, and then Robbie, here you see the screen here, yeah, you have the
Wait, sir.
screen.
Let me restart my laptop so I can use my camera.
Okay, you have problem with your camera then. Right, no problem with that. Yeah, here you see. Yeah, there's some rules here that actually being marked. Yeah, yellow mark here. Yeah, because it is a kind of important words. Yeah, the first one about the sources. Yeah, and then the accountable one is the CIO. Yeah, so it is an INT things. Yeah, because we don't see any relevance, let's say, with other chief, yeah, about how to process the data into the knowledge, yeah, into the information into the knowledge, yeah. And then here you also have the data management function within IT here, yeah, with under the management of CIO, yeah. Data management function is very important, yeah. They are the one who take care about the data, yeah. They are the one who develop the data, yeah, becoming the data structure within your database engine, right? Whatever kind, what kind of engine that you use, yeah, SQL or something else, yeah. The most important thing is that it will store the data, yeah, and then it will help the application, yeah, to process the data, yeah, process the data and store again into the database, yeah, and then you can access it through the report function, let's say, yeah. So it depends what kind of reports that you probably need, yeah, within the organization, yeah. That's the condition, right? Yeah. You also have the database administrator, for example, yeah, the one who take care about your database there, and also the data contained within the database, yeah. And then you also have the here legal counsel as well, yeah, and also the other heads as well, yeah, development, operation, administration, uh, service manager as well, yeah, so somebody that taking care about the delivery of IT service, right? Okay. Right, yeah. So it is time for us to go to these managed assets, yeah. So what do you think, Robbie, about these assets, yeah? Uh, you can say, yeah, your own with your own words, yeah. What is the relations within from assets into the governance and management? Yeah, we have also 5 practices here, yeah. You don't need to read this sentences because we all can read it, yeah, from the screen, but you can always say something, yeah, in your mind. Whether do you have any examples, yeah, whether do you have any opinions, yeah. What is asset actually? Robbie, can you share your
Uh,
thoughts? Mhm.
in my opinion, sir,
Mhm.
for manage asset, it's to maintain our asset in case in our company for a new asset or something that need to change because the item or something that too old maybe
Mhm.
something like that. The case, I mean,
Mhm. So what do you think? What is actually assets? Yeah. Are there any alias for assets? Do you have? Can you share the component
like
of asset? Mhm.
like laptop. I mean,
Mhm.
even some company
Mhm. Yes, laptop.
asset is such a data and then
Mhm. Data
item
as
that
well. Yeah. Mhm. All right, then you mentioned some kind of assets, right? We have 4 kind of asset actually that we already discussed previously, right? That
okay.
sometimes called as resources as well, right? So INT resources, INT assets, yeah. If we focus to that assets, yeah, to that kind of asset, we have the forewares, right? So you mentioned some of them, yeah. Laptop is the example for the you can say the hardware, right? Hardware and also software probably because there are software inside the laptop as well, right? Yeah, and then also we have the brainware. Yeah, let's say you yourself, if you are an employee within the company, yeah, or you are a student within a telecom university, yeah. So you are something, yeah, in the organization. You are the brainware. Yeah, you control the IT assets. Yeah, you will invest, yeah, the IT asset, yeah, into the assets, yeah. For example, Robbie buy something, yeah. Robbie buy laptop, yeah, for himself, yeah, to work his course, let's say, yeah, or course study or course start, something like that, yeah. And he buy another things, for example, yeah, anything that he needs, yeah. And he will get the information, yeah. He will get the information from the processing from the technology that Robbie used, right? Yeah, through the laptop, let's say, yeah. That's the example, actually. Good, Robbie, yeah. Thank you for your thoughts, yeah. And also we have here account for all IT assets, yeah, and also optimize the value provided by their use. Here, you need to connect, yeah, the value and the assets, yeah. So, what do you have in your mind? Okay, not net probably, yeah, Natasha. Can you share your thoughts regarding here the value, here the assets, yeah, and then here the value. So, what do you think? Can you share your thinking, yeah? How can we relate between these assets into the value? Do you have any example? What is value? Let's say, come on, not don't worry, yeah, be happy. And I see that
Can you
every
repeat, sir?
yes,
Can you repeat? Sorry.
yeah. So you need to relate between the assets, yeah, and also the value, yeah, the value. You just discuss about the assets previously, yeah, Robbie, and thanks to
Yeah.
you, now we will try to relate with this value, yeah. That's why Natasha probably can help us, yeah, here in this matter. So Net, what do you think? Is it okay if I call you Net or Putri or somebody, some nickname? Hmm?
You can call me Natasha, sir.
Natasha, okay. You prefer to be called as Natasha, yeah? Sometimes just spell it as Net, yeah? Natasha, okay. So what do you think about this, Natasha? So do you have any thought, yeah, in your thinking about a value, yeah? And if you relate with the assets definition or the asset example that provided by Robbie previously, so how do you think about that? Hmm?
I value asset to value of asset is an asset that if uh I'm sorry, can I use
Mm-hmm.
asset like value is asset that
Mm-hmm.
benefit to the company.
Benefit, right? So
Maybe yeah,
mm.
maybe like
Yeah,
the
you got the
cost of
right
the asset.
keyword. Yeah, you got the right keyword there. Yeah, value. Value is value have the relations, yeah, with the benefit, right? Here we go. Yeah. If we thought in perspective, financial, yeah, financial perspective, yeah, uh, you can say, yeah, that actually in essence, yeah, value is the profit, yeah, profit, yeah, in bahasa keuntungan, yeah. How can you measure? How can you get the figures for profit? How mathematically? How can you arrive into profit? Yeah, you need to blah blah blah. Let's say. What do you think, Natasha? You know profit? Yeah. Let's say if you have a business, yeah, and then you put some investment there, and then you will sell the product, let's say, yeah, and then you will get some income, yeah, and then after income you will get the profit, right? So how can you measure? You have the income, you have the investment, and then you will arrive into the profit. Yeah, value is profit. Yeah, value is something like profit. Yeah, it is similar, very similar with the profit itself. If we think it as financial, in financial way, yeah.
Yes, sir. To get the profit, it is income minus expense. So we got the profit if
Mhm.
but if
Yeah.
minus then
So
we
that's
got
the right
the profit.
formula, right? So you put the investment there, yeah. You put the money there, yeah. It is called as cost, right? Uh-huh. Cost, remember? Yeah. You put the money there, then you call it as cost, right? And then the cost will be processed into the solutions, yeah. You buy something, yeah. Let's say software, yeah. You create something there, yeah, and then you deliver the value, yeah, by the software, let's say, okay. And then you sell the software, let's say, yeah, by after the development of the software, yeah, and then you sell again the software to the one who need the software, okay. So you will get some money again, yeah, after you sell the product, yeah, or the project result, yeah, and then you will get the money again, yeah. It is called as income, right? Something that becoming your inflow, cash inflow, yeah, something that you will get. Yeah, and profit is when you subtract, yeah, between income, yeah, something that you have from your customer, yeah, something that you receive from your customer, into the cost, yeah. So you subtract the what is it, the income, yeah, yeah, the input, yeah, into the cost, yeah, and then you will have the profit. So value is like that, yeah. Value is like that. Benefit is like the software selling, yeah. Yeah, when you share the software, yeah, after the development, yeah, and then you will have the income, yeah. It is the benefit actually, yeah. So that's why you need to realize the benefit means, yeah, you will get the benefit after you sell the software that you create from the development. Otherwise you don't have you still not realize your benefit yet. Yeah, that's the condition, Natasha. Yeah, thank you for the example, Natasha. Great, yeah. And then here, we have 5 practices, guys. Yeah. The first one is to identify, yeah, to record, yeah, current asset. Means that, hey, you need to have the data about what kind of asset that you have, yeah, what kind of software, what kind of hardware, let's say, yeah, server, network devices, something like that, yeah, and then what kind of how many people that you have, yeah, what about their competencies? It is an asset as well, yeah. Remember, human is an asset as well, right? It is the same, yeah, with other assets. And you also have the data and information, yeah, as we discussed in knowledge, that data something that you process into the information. It is it is worth it as well, yeah, for your organization. It is the like the assets that you need to take care, yeah, need to be taken care within the company, within the organization, so you will have the profit, yeah, profit how when you compare between the benefit with the cost, yeah, it's like that. Okay, good, yeah. And then we arrive, yeah, with the critical assets as well, yeah. So you need to make sure, yeah, the reliability and also the availability, yeah, to support the business needs, yeah. So it means that assets, yeah, has their own reliability, yeah, and also the availability, yeah. Sometimes they are not available, sometimes, yeah, also they are not reliable. So that actually not the good condition, yeah. When you need some information, yeah, from Telkom University, let's say, yeah, and then one of the assets, yeah, the Iglesias is down, let's say, yeah. Uh, in the same day, actually, you need to register yourself, yeah, for the next semester, for example, yeah. So how about it, yeah? So sometimes the system, yeah, or the where the resources is not available, yeah. You need to face that condition sometime. So and then you need to rely, yeah, on the Iglesias, for example, yeah, whether Iglesias will support you, yeah, throughout your education life in Telkom University, right? So if they can support you, yeah, fully, yeah, it is called that they are reliable, yeah, something that can be relied about, yeah, reliable. So, okay. Life cycle, yeah, asset has its own life cycle, yeah. Asset will have their birthday, yeah. I mean that when you create the assets, yeah, by the software development process, or when you buy the asset, yeah, only two kind of only have two ways, yeah, to get an asset: make or buy, right? That's the condition, yeah, make or buy, yeah, and then the asset will go live, yeah. You will have the software after you buy the software, let's say, yeah, or you just like Natasha previously, yeah, she develop software, yeah, and then it will go live, the software, okay. And then sometime you also recruit somebody else, yeah, to join your team, yeah, and then you will have him or her support, yeah, within the team, yeah. So it is called as asset as well, right? And they begin to support you, yeah. It is the beginning of the life cycle, and they will have the end time, yeah. Every kind of asset, they will have their end time, yeah. Software will be obsolete, yeah, someday. The hardware will be obsolete someday, and then you need to throw that one, ya, and buy something new, right? Dilem biru istilahnya kan, ya, dilempar beli yang baru kan gitu ya, like that. And also sometimes the people are not fit again into your organization, and they will go out from the organization. That determination, yeah, determination. They can terminate themselves, or they can be terminated by you, right? Okay, yeah, and then optimize the value, yeah. Regularly review overall asset, yeah. Identify ways, yeah, to optimize value in alignment with business needs, yeah. So that's the profit that you will have, yeah, from the assets, right? Make sure that you will have the optimum way. Last, yeah, but not this is the license, yeah, license here. So it is actually specific, yeah, to something that you don't buy, yeah. Actually, you didn't buy that one. You don't buy that one, yeah. You only like rent, yeah, rent the solution, rent the assets, yeah. Yeah, for example, you have the license to use Microsoft Windows, yeah, to use Microsoft Office, yeah, the software, right? So you only have the license, yeah. You although you buy the license, yeah. You actually don't buy the source code, right? You only buy the license, then and then you after you have the license, you will be able to use the application itself, right? And then it is same, yeah. If you rent the infrastructure, yeah, you rent the server, you rent the cloud, something like that, yeah. And you also rent the infrastructure, yeah, the network, let's say, yeah, the broadband, let's say, yeah, the internet connection, let's say, yeah, all of them. You have your own license, yeah, something that becoming the agreement between you, yeah, in the and the provider that you can use, yeah, the services there. Okay, right, yeah. So that's the license, yeah. Yeah, that's actually the practices, yeah, within this BI9, yeah. No, yeah, this is the RACI chart, yeah. Here you see that when identifying, yeah, when managing the critical assets, yeah, when taking care the life cycle until they will finish, yeah. You need to be sure, yeah, that every kind of asset will have their end, yeah, including yourself, yeah. Yeah, we as a human, we will reach our end, right? We will die sometime, yeah, in the future. So that's the end of the asset, yeah. It's like that. It is a kind of simple, actually, yeah. You need to understand that one, okay? See here, yeah, the accountability is reside within the chief technology officer because it is more on technology, right? It's like that. Manage the current asset, manage the critical asset, manage the life cycle, yeah. Everything is relied in the CTO there. Yeah, whether the CEO is to optimize the asset value. So it is on higher level. Yeah, the CIO here. Here, yeah, see, this is the CIO level. Yeah. Asset value, yeah, the optimize and then manage the licenses as well. Yeah. Yeah, the accountability is resided within the officer. And they are also supported by other kind of heads, yeah. Units head, yeah, just like head of architect, head of development operation, administration, yeah, service managers, and also the privacy, yeah, and also the security. Okay, right, yeah. So any question till this point? I hope that you have some comments. So Ridwan, if you would like to comments, no problem.
Yes, sir. I want to know how about the uh, or business process or diagram? Is it we can still say it there is the asset and
Yeah.
how it found or measure it with the profit or the cost for it.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. That's a good question, Ridwan. Yeah, you thought until the business processes. Yeah. So actually, yeah, business processes. When we talk about the previous resources, yeah, in INT perspective, yeah, we have the software, hardware, right, brainware, and also the data and infoware. Yeah. So actually, the business processes is reside, yeah, behind all of the things here, right? Especially behind every information, yeah, especially behind every software usually, yeah, because software is business process actually, yeah, but it is digitalized, right, Redman? So when
Yes,
you
sir.
have like for example, yeah, what kind of business process that you would like to take as an example, yeah? For example, teaching, yeah, or learning in the class business process, yeah. You come to the class, yeah, and then do the teaching or to do the study there, yeah, and then supported by the LMS, let's say, yeah, supported by the technology of Zoom here, yeah, to see the information, something like that, yeah. So it means that you are supported, yeah, by the assets, yeah. It's like that. Business processes is something that behind, yeah, behind the application, yeah, behind the process that behind the digital process that supported by this application, yeah. For example, of course, yeah, one thing for sure that not every business process is already digitalized, yeah, but actually you will have goals, yeah, to digitalize everything, yeah, if you can, yeah, if you can, yeah, because if it is digitalized, yeah, then it will be easier to manage, yeah, by the support of the technology, yeah. Of course it also will take some risk, right, because everything, if it is online, yeah, if it is supported by the IT, yeah, and then they will have the opportunity to be disturbed, yeah, by the hacker, let's say, yeah, or something else, yeah, not only from the external, can be from the internal as well, yeah. Somebody who knows the weakness of your system can like make the wrong use, yeah, about the assets, right? So that can be happen. Okay, so business process is actually, yeah, it is behind every assets here, yeah. It is an asset as well, yeah. It is an asset as well, yeah. But it is like governed, yeah, governed by the application, because we are talking about INT, yeah, something that digitalized, yeah. It's like that. We have digitalized business process for sure, yeah. Automatize, yeah, automatize, yeah, business processes. Okay. Okay. Good, yeah. Now we move to the configurations here, yeah. Uh, what do you think of this one? Yeah, I see that we have Sukri here, yeah. We have Maria as well as the leaders, yeah, of the group, yeah. And then we have Othman here, yeah, and also Nabil, yeah, Nabil previously. Oh yeah, we have Nabil as well, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Is it 4 persons, Maria?
No, no, doctor. We are actually five.
Oh, 5. Okay, Shukri. Thanks for the information.
Yeah, five
Who else? The
person.
other one, the last one. Who else?
I think we are on the class on the meeting.
So.
So for the managed configuration, this one we prepared last week about the one, but the time is up on the last Sunday.
Yeah. That's why we discuss now, yeah, because we running late last time, yeah. So it's okay, yeah. So let's discuss about this. Sukri, if you keen to share your screen or your face, yeah, it will be better, yeah, to communicate.
Doctor, I'm so sorry because I'm opening from my laptop, and my laptop I have just problem with my camera. I'm so sorry. Maybe next week.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, you can always share your voices. Nabil, yeah. What about you? And here we have Osman as well, yeah. We also have Maria. Where is Maria? Oh yeah, Maria. Okay. So how are you, Maria? So is it okay?
Good, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Right. So it seems very fresh. Yeah. Behind you is very green back there. Yeah. That's why I love to see your face. Yeah, because I can see. Sometimes can see the view, yeah, and it's always good to see you face to face online meeting here, yeah. That's the condition, yeah. It is called online face to face, yeah, not online face to text. Understand what I mean, yeah. If I show my face and then you show your text only, yeah, representing by your name, so it is not actually not a class, yeah, it is face to text meeting. That's the condition. It's actually not really good, yeah, for an active class, yeah, because it is like not really a good combination, yeah. Right. So, Otman, oh, you are there. So, Which one of you who would like to share your thought, yeah, regarding this configuration as well, yeah? And we have also the last one after this, yeah. We have the project, yeah. So come on, it's okay, yeah. Don't bother by reading this text, yeah. Just explain according to your understanding, okay?
Okay, Doctor. So
Okay.
for the managed configuration, the purpose of this one, I think, to provide enough information about the service assist. For example, to allow to the service to handle successfully, and also the process goal is to ensure the configuration to accurate and up to the date. Also, it's measured by the number to deviations between the configurations repository and live configuration.
Okay, that's good explanation, Sukri. Thank you. And then probably you can elaborate more, yeah? In reality, you have the assets, right? Previously, we discussed much more about assets. Yeah, we have the software. Yeah, we have the hardware. We have the people brainware. Yeah, we also have the data and infoware. Yeah. So if you relate, yeah, this definition of configuration, yeah, with those kind of assets that previously mentioned, do you see any relations there? So how can you, in reality, show, hey, guys, yeah, hey, classmates, everyone. Actually, this is the configuration, yeah, and then the configuration is very important, yeah, and then it will enable you to effectively manage the service, yeah, as purpose here, as the purpose here. So what do you think, Sukri? Can you give some more real example, for instance, yeah, regarding this kind of configuration? We have for sure 5 practices here, right? We have the model, yeah. It means that it can be visualized, yeah, the models, right? The configuration, I mean, yeah, it can be visualized. You can draw, yeah, your configuration, right? Or you can write the configuration, yeah, so it will become a model. And then you can also maintain, yeah, the repository, yeah, repository. So it's like you have the resource, yeah, repository, yeah, something that you can just get something from there, yeah. And then you also have other keywords like configuration items, yeah. So it is like up to date, yeah, repository of CI, yeah, by populating any configuration changes. Here, one of the keyword here is also the changes, yeah. So it is very important. Why do you need to monitor? You need to store the assets, yeah. Do you need to store the configuration, yeah. Here, configuration is about an information about the assets, right? About the asset, okay? So can you imagine what kind of information is it? The real example, yeah. Yeah, any Sukri can add, and other guys also can discuss about this, yeah. So what is it, Sukri? Do you need to share something again? To add something regarding this configuration? Now, what do you have in mind? The example?
Yes, Doctor. For example, like collecting the configuration for the information, and it can be also creating the baseline, or just do updates to the configuration. Also, I can say to checking and the configuration information. So it is right, Doctor, related to what I say.
Yeah, that's a good explanation actually, yeah. Because we have many assets, yeah. We have many asset categorization. So you can just give some example again, yeah, with other asset, yeah. Probably Maria as well can share the thoughts, yeah. let's say if it is software assets, yeah, what is the configuration behind the software asset? Yeah, if it is about the infrastructure asset or software, yeah, hardware assets, so what kind is a configuration itself? Yeah, is it one of the it is even called as configuration items? Yeah, so what is it actually? Yeah. Okay, Faras, yeah, come on, share your thought here. Thank you.
Maybe, sir, I think, in my opinion, it's something like the usage of MDM, sir, the mobile device management, where the company usually, where the IT support guys usually install it on the laptop asset first before maybe giving it to the new employee. So maybe this laptop can only run things that the company allow, and they cannot do anything on the laptop where the company restricted, sir. I think.
Good. Yeah, Faras, thank you for your participation. Faras mentioned about the example laptop. Yeah, laptop is like the combination of assets. Yeah, at least it is a technology assets. Yeah, that of course it has their own. They have their own configuration, right? So if we break down, yeah, laptop, yeah, becoming small things, yeah, becoming the parts, yeah, or the one that built, yeah, a laptop, yeah. Within laptop, you will have the keyboard, let's say, yeah. You will have the CPU, yeah, CPU, yeah, and you will have the boards, yeah, behind it, yeah, and also you will have the connector, let's say, yeah. You will have the Type C connector probably, or USB connector. You will have the VGA, yeah, to show your video into the screen, yeah. The screen itself is an item, right? We have screen as an item, yeah. We have also the keyboard as an item, yeah. We also have the mouse pad, let's say, yeah, or the touchpad, yeah, in the laptop, let's say. Or even you can have like the fingerprint, right? Fingerprint reader, yeah, or the barcode reader can be, yeah, or the USB connection, yeah, connector there. Everything is an item, yeah, that need to be configured, right? Rightfully, yeah, accordingly, yeah, according to the right combination, according to the right design or models, yeah. So they will be working, yeah, they will work, right? So the laptop will you will have the battery as well, right? The hard disk as well, okay? The memory, yeah, the random access memory, and everything, yeah. The components within a laptop, yeah, it is called as an item, right? Configuration item, yeah. They need to be configured, yeah. How many hard disk capacity that you would like to install, yeah. What kind of keyboard that you would like to use, yeah. We have so many keyboards, right? Forak, yeah, or Sweden keyboard, yeah. Every usually if the languages are different, yeah, then they will have their own keyboard setting, right? It's like that. And they will have the video graphic adapters, yeah. You will have the screen, let's say. You will have the resolutions, yeah. You will have also the connection, the connectors, yeah. Internet connectors, USB connectors, Wi-Fi, something like that, yeah. Memory, everything is configurable, right? That's why it is called as configuration item, yeah. And every kind of item can be like combined, yeah, and becoming a something that can be usable, right? So that's the good example, Faras. Yeah, you bring about laptop. Yeah, because yeah, it is a kind of things that yeah. Don't worry, and don't forget as well that laptop is not only the hardware, right? To make it useful, laptop need also to be installed by application, right? So you need to install like the operating systems, right? For example, you can use the Apple, yeah, iOS. Yeah, you can also install if it is on the the handphone, yeah, you can install the Android, let's say, yeah, open operating system. You can also use Microsoft operating system, yeah. So it is also an assets, yeah. It is also an items, yeah, that can be configured, right? So it is called as configuration item. Yeah, you will have your own operating system. You will have the Microsoft Word, yeah, application running behind the operating system, something like that. Okay, so that's the condition. Yeah, right. Yeah, so that's CI. Yeah, CI with other CI. Yeah, with will become CI, a bigger CI. Yeah, laptop as laptop itself, it is called a CI as well. Yeah, but it is consisted. Yeah, it is consisted by many other components as we discussed previously. Okay, and they all need to be configured correctly, right? How many storage, how many storage, hard storage, yeah, how many CPU, yeah, that you will use, how many capacity of the video graphic, yeah, and then what kind of connector that you will use in the laptop, yeah. For example, like using the mini USB, micro USB, yeah, or the FireWire, yeah, or the what is it? RMID, what is it? Can you also like the VGA self, yeah, they can be a port, something like that. So it depends, yeah, on your needs, yeah. So that's the configuration, yeah. That's why it need to be configured correctly, yeah. It need they need to, let's say, this five practices here, yeah. The fourth one to produce the status, yeah, and also to send the reports, yeah. Why? Because it need to be like noted, yeah, into the some kind of what is it, yeah. Yeah, if it is a book, it is in, if paper, it is a book, yeah. It's even a bundle of information about the configuration item, but usually it's supported by the software for sure, yeah. That's why we have the CMDB, yeah. Have you heard about it? CMDB, CMIS, yeah. Configuration Management Database, yeah, or Configuration Management Information System, yeah. Something to store, yeah, something to store every items that you have, yeah, every configuration item that you have, okay. Right, yeah, and then verify, review integrity of the configuration repository. Good, yeah. And then Uthman, do you have any example in a real life, probably regarding the kind of configuration? Yeah, in do you have any experience, let's say, for managing the IT? Yeah, and then you will have like software to manage the assets, for example. Yeah, and then you can put some agent in every asset that you will have. Yeah, and then
So I wanted to talk about the configuration itself before we go to the next topic, if you don't mind, sir.
yeah, sure, sure.
So I believe that there are two types of configuration or three types of configuration. The first one is the configuration that does not let the company work at all. Like it's wrong configuration. Our assets do not work correctly. Like they are broken or they need to be repaired or stuff like that. And the second type of configuration is when they work but not working as the request or the required performance. We want them to be faster than that. We want them to be more efficient. So that configuration is like better than the first one, but it's not the best configuration to be used for everything inside the company. It depends also on the possibility or the ability of the company, how much money it has to implement specific technology. And the third type of configuration is the best configuration where everything runs the fastest possible, the most efficient. If we have also a specific like space for our hardware, we need to make sure that it's quite enough, it's quite wide, and if it's not wide enough, we need to bring hardware that fits in that place. For example, when we talk about software, we need to choose the most updated, the fastest one possible, the most one that matches with our needs. If we have to choose between two softwares, and we have also to remember the capacity of the company itself, how much it wants to manage, how much it wants money, how much money it wants to spend on those on that configuration. So we need to balance between how much money the company is able to implement or to use for the configuration and the best configuration possible. So the companies depend on that. Like, for example, if the company is not totally specialized in IT, of course, it will not use all its money in IT. It will try to balance, but also it should not neglect IT. It should not ignore it. It should implement some of it to make the workflow better, to make the company better in the services that it provides.
Yeah, yeah, that's well said. Yeah, Othman. So you bring other example, yeah, regarding how configuration terminologies, yeah, can be categorized, yeah, and then used, yeah, within the company, yeah. So you mentioned about the performance, yeah. You mentioned about how to combine every items, yeah, to get the right or to get the best, yeah. You mentioned about the best, right? The best performance.
Yes. Because so we don't not just need to configure our company with every different stuff in it without getting the best performance or the best possible performance. And also, let's say, for example, you want to make everything in order. Like, you install your servers, you don't put every, like, for example, if you have fiber optic, it's just messy. You have a lot of wires, you don't put them in order. Even if someone wants to configure it again or wants to repair a problem there, he will be frustrated to work with it. If it's quite like an order, if it's quite organized, anyone can come and help. Like, he's told about how it was put in order, and he can continue with it. He can work with it. He can repair everything over there. Let's say, for example, you're using computers, you're using laptops, you're using servers. Everything needs to be put in order. Like, the files need to be put in order. The software needs to be updated. So the software, every time there are temporary files, they need to be deleted. And all of that stuff in order to make the performance better. And whenever someone, for example, wants to repair, if we have laptops or computers that are used for the different stuff and personnel of the company, some of them will not know how to repair a specific thing. When we ask the specialized people to repair it, he knows everything. You say to him, oh man, look, this one is for our, like, it's dedicated for this stuff. This one is dedicated for another stuff. Let's say, for example, you have a company for networks. You say to him, this is about networks, this is about hardware, this is about accounting for our company. Depending on the files that you have on that computer, they can, like, manage everything better and more efficiently, and they can also avoid falling in the trap of wasting time to find where the problem is, how to solve the problem. If things are not in order, if they are messed, you cannot, like, solve the problem directly. You need to, you have another problem, which is finding where the problem is, where the files that you want to solve are. You need to handle that first.
Yes.
That's what I mean, sir.
Yes, good. Yeah, well said, Othman. Yeah, so Osman has bring a good view, yeah, regarding how assets, yeah, items can be combined, yeah, according to the needs from the company to have the right performance, yeah, to have the best performance that can support the organization. And he mentioned as well regarding the yeah, if we change, yeah, the configurations, yeah, it can be like it can be happen, right? I mean, you will need to make sure that you have the right combination, yeah, of the configuration. You can change this one, you can change this one, yeah, you can upgrade it, you can patch it, something like that, yeah. to make sure that everything is working correctly according to the needs of the company, right? So that's a good view. And then after that, yeah, don't forget, yeah, everything need also to be supported by the right processes, yeah. So you will have like the flow, yeah, how to do something, yeah. That's why we have five practices here, yeah, right. And also we have the like the people, yeah, here the RT, yeah, who the one participate, yeah, when managing these configurations, yeah. And also we have support from the technology, yeah, because if we manage the configuration, yeah, we manage the assets without the support from the technology, yeah, it will be not very easy, yeah, to configure everything, yeah, to like have a notes, yeah, about the every configuration, yeah. That's why I mentioned to you about the CMIS, yeah. For the example, some of you here already learned about the service management, right? Back then you learn about the managed engine, right, in the practicum. So it is a kind of configuration management database as well. Yeah. We have also other products actually. Yeah, like the BMC Remedy. Yeah, or you can say like the CA. Yeah. And we have many other examples as well. Yeah. Yeah. So you put the configurations. Yeah. And then like create an inventory. Yeah. So it is like a notes. Yeah. To take care, yeah, to create to put all the configurations, yeah, information there. So when something need to be changed, yeah, you also need to change, yeah, this kind of configuration within the software. So it will relate with the service that you like to measure, yeah, the service level agreement, that the performance, yeah, as Othman mentioned previously, the performance, yeah, the performance of IT assets, the performance of IT resources, yeah, the performance of IT services, yeah, that configure correctly, yeah, will deliver the right performance, yeah, for your organization. Good, yeah, and then we have the last one for this BI here, yeah, manage project, yeah. It is very interesting actually because it's actually the main things, yeah, that you need to do with this to control everything in this domain, yeah. So you will create assets, yeah, you will have an asset after you manage the project, yeah, because a project is something unique, right? Something unique that you will have the goals you have the project, yeah, you will have the requirements, yeah, that you identify from the plan, yeah, let's say. And then if it is an IS project, yeah, or development project, then you will have the opportunity, yeah, to gather the team, yeah, from the project manager, system analyst, let's say, yeah. Sometimes you need also the architect, yeah, the database developer, the database administrator, yeah, the software developer for sure, the programmer, yeah. And then you also need the documenter, yeah, the tester, yeah, and everything, yeah, so on and so forth, according to the needs of the needs of the team, yeah, because team is depend on the complexity of the project, right? The more complex that, then you will have the more people, yeah, involved within your project, right? So yeah, it is good to arrive with this project management. So I would like to have some view, yeah, from other groups. Yeah, we have Nabil here. So please, Nabil, can you share your thought, yeah, regarding this project management things?
Yes, doctor. Uh, improve communication with environment of business and end user to achieve find the project results and minimize the risk of the significant delays. And minimize the significant delays and also the cost and the value.
Your voice is not really clear, Nabil. Probably your position is a bit far from the mic, so it is not clear for us here.
Yeah, Doctor.
Yeah, right now. Yeah. Good, good. Yeah, please
Make
continue.
result, make project results of a high value and of the high quality, and that they contribute as much as the possible to the defined programs and investment profile.
Okay, great, Nabil. So, can you share your experience, yeah, when you are taking care about a project, let's say, yeah, any kind of project, yeah. You can say something that very simple, yeah, or you can say something that more complex, yeah, a bit more complex. Let's say it is a kind of real project that, for example, if you are like a business student, probably you create some business, yeah, or if you are like a software developer, probably you create some software, it is a kind of project as well, yeah. Or if you are an infrastructure guy, probably you have a project like implementing like a server client environment, yeah. Or any kind of project that you can share in the class.
For example, intent the plan, control, and execute project, and close the past implementation review.
So what is it like, the project? Can you tell us a bit more about that? Is it a real, I mean, where, when you experience this kind of project, and then how is it
Victor,
like you manage, when you manage this project? And then what is your roles regarding this project? Yeah, whether you are the project manager, or where are you the something, yeah, some role within the project you can tell in to the class. Because it is, I think each of us, yeah, already involved, yeah, in some kind of a project, yeah, even it is a very simple project, yeah, because I think everything in our life is a kind of project actually, yeah. The project when you are joining a course, it is a kind of project, yeah. It will have the start, and it will have the end time, right? Project characteristic is something has the something that will start, yes, sometime, and then it will end in some time, yeah. So and then they will deliver some kind of unique deliverables, yeah, and something like that, yeah. And then you put like a standard there, yeah. You create the project plan, you create you execute the plan, yeah. You monitor the execution, yeah, until the project is closing, yeah, according to the standard, or the, let's say, the contract, yeah. If you, it is related with the third party, or you do it yourself, yeah. So you will have like an engagement later, yeah. Engagement later that set up how that you need to work, yeah, according to this agreement. Yeah, do you have anything more, Nabil?
actually, Doctor, for the managed project that you told me, you want in the real life. What I, مثلا, for example, if there is a project I did.
Real, anything can be example, right? You can manage every kind of project in our life, right?
Actually, Doctor, for the I don't have any like start business in the real life. I didn't do the business in the real life, but I can, for example, if there is any business, we have to maintain a standard approach of the project management to enables governance and management review, decision making, and delivery management activities.
Okay. Okay, you can always ask for any support from other members of the groups. Yeah, here I think Maria. Yeah, Maria can share something. I'm sure that she already prepared. Yeah? Come on, Maria, share your thoughts.
May I will give some example about project management.
Yeah, sure.
In real life. For example, when we want to planning a meeting, so we have to identify the project first. Like we need to talk to the stakeholder and find out what they want to the meeting. And then like we have to find out what the person that we assign to the meeting. Also, we have to prepare when and where the meeting is being held, how long, and yeah. So for the outcome that we do for planning is a successful run meeting that meet all the stakeholder objective within the budget, time, and etc.
Yeah.
And
Actually,
for
yeah. You still remember about the IS project management course, right? You were there, right, in the course?
little bit.
Yeah, actually, this is like a rehearse. Yeah, like
So there is the Scrum.
yeah, Scrum can be a method. Yeah, Scrum is a method for doing something in agile way. Yeah. We have also traditional project management as well. Yeah, just like some of you here, yeah, has learned, yeah, previously, yeah, have learned in your previous class, yeah, by using the PM book, right? The PM book 6, if I'm not mistaken, yeah. Although not no, it's already PM book 7, yeah, but PM book 6 is still applicable for sure, yeah. Yeah, it is kind of traditional way, yeah. Initiation and then also the planning, yeah. And here you have the component of planning here, yeah. Stakeholder analysis, yeah. Stakeholder management, yeah. And then quality management, risk management, yeah. And then resource management, yeah. And you also, I'm sure that you all have heard about triple constraint, right? So triple constraint is the most three important things, yeah, within the project that actually influence each other. Yeah. What is it? It is it is called as STC. Yeah. Scope, time, cost. Yeah. Scope is the total, yeah, total work package that you will need to do in your project. Yeah. And every kind of changes, yeah, to the scope, then it will also influence other things as well, right? Just like the time, yeah, just like the cost, yeah. If you add some scope there, yeah, highly likely that you will increase the time, right? If you only do with some teams, yeah, some team members, yeah. For example, you only have 5 members in your project group, yeah. You have the leaders, yeah, and then you also have the developers, yeah. Whether is it for the application and also for the database, yeah. And also you have like the infrastructure member, yeah, the technology member that taking care about the server, yeah, network and something else like that, yeah. And let's say you also have like the tester, yeah, documenter, something like that. Okay. So if the scope is getting bigger, yeah, and then you do it with the same number of people, yeah. So the logic is, yeah, the scope, sorry, the time, yeah, will be longer, right? It will take longer, yeah, to finish jobs that actually being added by new requirement, right? That can be happen. Yeah, it is called a scope creeping. Yeah, in IS world, right? When you add more something, yeah, when the project is still going, right? It is called a scope creeping. And also we have it can influence the cost as well, right? Because if we try to improve or increase the team, yeah, member, yeah, by putting some additional resources, yeah, or you can also like gather, yeah, with other teams, yeah, to join like to perform like collaborations, yeah. Of course you will have some cost there, right? So it is very related each other. That's why it is called a triple constraint, yeah. Although no, yeah, the modern project management already add some more with quality, yeah, risk, yeah, and about the stakeholder, yeah. Actually we have 10, yeah, according to PMBOK we have 10 knowledge area, yeah, that need to be managed, yeah, within the project, yeah. Most of them are here, yeah. Most of them are here, like standard approach, yeah, and then startup initiate the project, yeah. Usually you create some stakeholder register, yeah, to understand the condition of your stakeholders, and you also need to prepare the business case, yeah, the cost management related with the project, right? And then manage the stakeholder engagement, yeah, and then develop the project plan, yeah. You set up the project management plan, it is called, yeah. It contains all the 10 knowledge area, yeah. The content is about the scope, yeah, the work packages, yeah, the time, yeah, the schedule that you will perform in the project, yeah, you have in the project, and then you will have the cost, yeah, and everything else, yeah, in the project management plan that becoming the reference for you to execute your plan. Okay. Right, yeah, and then we have also the quality, the risk, yeah, and also the monitoring control and resources with packages, yeah, and then closing, yeah. So that's like a short way to finish a project. Yeah, actually, project can be very lengthy, yeah, and can be very complex, yeah, and required many people, many resources, yeah, something like that. Okay. Right, yeah, and then I see I've seen Muaz, yeah, but he come and go, come and go, come and go. Yeah, I don't know whether he's waiting for the for the attendance. I mean, for his time to present, probably. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, or would like to participate. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, if Muaz come again into our class. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, group 5. Yeah, so this is the total practices. Yeah, you need to understand, yeah. If you would like to go into details, yeah, just go into the COBIT book that you already have, yeah. Everything is there, yeah, and you need to be careful, yeah, with the definition, yeah, especially, yeah, yeah. All right, yeah, and then I think that's it, yeah. This is the input, yeah, for the example of BI domain, yeah. Program, requirement definition, yeah. The example is the business case. Yeah, business case is like a feasibility study of your business. Yeah, and then we also have the acceptance criteria here. Yeah, requirement definition. We also have the solution identification and build. Yeah, evaluation of innovation ideas, and also the availability and capacity. Yeah, requirement definition repository, for example. Yeah, and then we have the organization change. Yeah, we have the IT change. We have the acceptance. Yeah, here the example of the input. Yeah, they will need the service request. They will need the yeah, something like that. Yeah, manage knowledge. You need the knowledge transfer plan, for example. Yeah, and then manage configuration. You can check. Register of software license. Yeah, so it is a kind of configuration as well. Yeah. And also we have the managed project, yeah, as we discussed previously, okay? So we have like a post-implementation review, yeah, or we call it a spear, yeah. It is the last report, yeah, before you are closing your project, yeah. It is very important, yeah, to deliver this spear, because after this spear, we know that actually the software, yeah, or every kind of asset that you build, yeah, is actually ready, yeah, to be go live, to go live, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Oh yeah, and then I will move, yeah, to the next. Actually, the schedule for our session today, yeah, which is the so to say the DSS, yeah, DSS. Yeah, we have only 6, yeah, only 6 GMO, so it will be will not take many times, yeah. I hope, yeah. Okay, yeah. Here we go. So. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Mhm. Great, yeah, everyone. Thank you for the collaboration, yeah, and your participation within the class, yeah. I don't know, yeah, the condition is probably is already tiring, yeah, because it's already more than 2 hours, I think, yeah. So hopefully we can close our session today, yeah, with this last area, yeah, or I mean last domain, yeah, which is the DSS, yeah, the DSS here is the last domain. And I'm still trying to open the file, yeah, so guys, any questions, any discussion related with this BI that we have discussed previously? Please be my guest if you would like to share something. Yeah, I haven't heard, yeah, the voice of Rian, yeah, Daniel, yeah, and then Rafi as well, yeah. Where are you, Rafi, previously? And then also Berlian, yeah, and also Nadia. So please, yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm
Yes,
here.
great. So Rafi, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Very
Great.
good.
Yeah. So what do you think about this session? Do you have some conclusion regarding the so to say the the BAI domain, yeah, and all the 11 processes or GMOs, yeah, behind it?
Okay, I think from my conclusion is from your explanation before BAEI, the function is I think for the IT development and implementation based on result from user need and plan by the company, sir. And then the B, I said BI or BI, sir.
BAI, yeah, it's okay. Build
BAI,
acquire
yeah.
implement, right? It is an English word actually.
Okay, some BI has some outline, just like BI one is manage program, and then like my explanation from my group, BI 9 and manage asset, and then there is a lot of outline, and then I think that is a conclusion from the session at this session, sir, from BI.
Good. Yeah, well said, Rafi. Thank you for sharing. And then
Okay, sir.
I will share my screen now, yeah, to finish our objective for today, yeah. You can have some coffee, yeah, and then go to toilet, yeah, while continuing our session, because if we have some break, then we will lose times, yeah. So we need to continue, yeah. And if you feel tired, yeah, or anything else, yeah, you just go to the toilet, yeah, brush, wash your face, yeah, by the very fresh water, and also you can get some coffee probably, yeah, get a cup of coffee and then zip it, and it will be very nice for you, yeah, to have your refresh condition, to refresh your condition, okay. Right. This computer is getting late. Oh, yeah. Here. Not yet. Okay. Here I need to share. Right here. Okay. No, it's already shared. So I just need to open the share screen for the Microsoft PowerPoint here. Yeah, I'm sure that you can take my screen, see my screen right now. Yeah. Right. Okay. Yes. Here. Okay. Yeah. I just configuring, yeah, your appearance here. Yeah, Maria is still there. Thank you, everybody. As I think all of uh, the guys here probably still go to the toilet beside Maria. All right, yeah. So I will just continue, yeah, and then just feel free to jump in, yeah. Of course, we will have many discussion, yeah. Yeah, we have at least one, not 1 hour, yeah. It's only a couple of minutes, yeah, until we hope that it will finish our class in 12:10 usually, yeah, at least, yeah, hopefully. Right. Okay. Yeah, we have 6 more GMOs. Yeah, before we end our domain. Yeah, with the MEA. Yeah, monitor, evaluate, assess. This is the DSS, guys. Yeah, this is the delivery, service, and support. Yeah, we have the first one is manage the operations. Yeah, why? What is need to be operated? Yeah. Uh, Previously we have the BAI, right? BAI, when we build, we acquire. Yeah, we implement. Then for that, we will have the assets, right? We will have the software. We will have the hardware. Yeah. We also completed by the brainware. Yeah. We have the people around us. Yeah. That will taking care of all everything regarding the IT. Okay. And then also we have other things as well, right? Then, yeah, when it already published, yeah, it is already published and like it already go live, yeah. And then the software will run, yeah, and will be moved, yeah, and then also run into the new environment. It is called as production, yeah. Previously it is called the development, yeah, environment, yeah. Different server must be, yeah. So and then they move, yeah, into the new environment. It is called as production, yeah. It can be a server or many servers, yeah, depend on the complexity of the software, right? And then first we manage the operations here, yeah. The second one, we manage the service request and incidents, yeah, because everything is already running, yeah. And then for example, yeah, when previously some of you, let's say, has developed a new software, yeah, that will run, yeah, in the organization, and then you will need to take care about the service request and also the incident, yeah. So it can be very generic, yeah. It can be specialized, yeah. I mean, in particular, you can see that here we have both type, yeah. The first one is when you receive, yeah, like an incident report, yeah, something happened in your IT services, yeah. For example, yeah, when the user cannot access more regarding the let's say, yeah, previously we mentioned about the egressias, yeah. When egressias were down, yeah, when we need it, yeah, it is called as incident, yeah. It is called as disruptions, yeah. When the service is stopped, yeah, and we cannot do anything, yeah, until the service is going live again, right? So that's we call this incidents, yeah. Or otherwise, also we can like give our request something, yeah. I mean, for example, if someone has joined a new company, yeah, and then in the new company he still didn't have anything, yeah, to share, yeah. And then okay, yeah, service request, I mean, yeah. So if you would like to ask something, yeah, new services or upgrade the services, existing services, yeah, or fix or repair, yeah, it is called a service request, yeah. As simple as that, yeah. Request, the format can be different, but at least, yeah, you will have like a risk-based analysis, yeah. I mean that you need always to check with others, yeah. So yeah. And then DSS is about the problems, yeah. Remember, problem and incident is a very different things, yeah. The problem is something happen, yeah, in a like incidents, yeah, but it is happening, yeah, intermittently, yeah, happen and happen and happen again, yeah. So it is called as problem, yeah. You need to solve, yeah, until the root cause can be uh, uh, fixed, yeah. So the problem will be solved, yeah. Otherwise, it will run until the very end of the time, yeah, like that, yeah. That's problem, yeah. That's a problem, yeah. That's why we need to separate, yeah, between other kind of requests, yeah, incidents like that, yeah, other kind of problems, yeah. Okay, yeah. Remember, yeah, if the problem is not solved, yeah, and then it is growing, yeah, the bigger and the bigger, the more, yeah, and then will like disrupt the whole organization, yeah, because there is something happen, yeah, with this managed problem previously, yeah, managed, yeah, managed problem. And then they will have like a number, yeah, how many uh, like interested people, yeah, like that. And yes, what is it, Adam?
Okay, sir. You already talked about incident and problem. So incident is something that happen. A problem is occurrently happen times to times, and then incident is something maybe that customer have happen. So in I think in risk, sir, in risk management or risk mitigation, so it is usually talk about incident or problem, sir, because I think it's different. So I'm a bit confused in risk. If we talk about risk, we talk about incident or problem, sir.
Okay, Adam, yeah. So actually, I understand that some of you, majority of you, yeah, who already take the most of the course, yeah, from information study program, yeah, information system study program, yeah. You already have the service management course, right? You have also the practicum, yeah, by using the manage engine, yeah, how to manage the services, how to manage the, let's say, the configuration of management, yeah, a configuration of the data, the configuration of the assets, yeah, the CI. And also you you already like learn, yeah, all the in ITL it is called a phase, yeah, phase 1, phase 2 until the last, yeah. Okay, so that's the service request incident and also the problem, yeah. The very different thing between both of them are problem is something that repeat again, yeah. It come and go, intermittent, yeah, come and go, yeah. So actually that's the condition about the problems, yeah. That's why if we try to solve the problem, we need to use other methods as well, yeah, not only the usual way, yeah, just like to manage the incidents, yeah. But yeah, you need to like perform the root cause analysis, yeah. Root cause analysis means that yeah, you can say like a fishbone diagram, yeah, something like that, to trace, yeah. Here this is the first scenario, yeah, that can cause the problem happen again, yeah. And then this is the second scenario, this is the third scenario, yeah, until how many scenario that you will try to assess, yeah, whether it can create problems, yeah. So that's problem. That's why in problem we need to solve it until the root cause, yeah. That's why we perform the root cause analysis there, yeah, to make sure that we will have the right solution, yeah, for the problems there, yeah, problems, yeah. Last is the last but not least is this continuity, yeah. Continuity is actually similar, yeah. Incident like a small incident actually, yeah, small risk usually, yeah. And if the risk is bigger, usually they have it in the problems, yeah. Yeah. And what is the difference between problems and and continuity? Yeah, actually they are facing the same risk. Yeah, whether the one is like something that happen again and again. Yeah, but continuity is about how to manage the disaster risk. Yeah, disaster risk. Yeah, something that very big. If you call, you can say something that very big. Yeah, disaster risk that you need to take care. Yeah, you need to analyze it properly. Yeah, by create some an analysis. Yeah, risk analysis, and you also perform the BPA. Yeah, BAI. I mean, yeah, business impact analysis. Yeah, so it is like a first things to do. Yeah, when I try to solve the problem. Yeah, and also solve the continuity problem there. Yeah, and actually continuity is related with the disaster. Yeah, that's why it is very rare. Yeah, to activate this continuity things. Yeah, if in large scale. Yeah, I mean you will have like the data center. Yeah, which is backed up by the disaster recovery center. Yeah, and then the relation between both of them is depend on themselves. Yeah, and then the next one is DSS 5. Yeah, manage security service. Okay, right. Yeah, disaster risk. Yeah, so it is like a risk analysis and also the business impact analysis. Yeah, and then recovery strategy. Yeah, you will need to choose the right methodology. Yeah, strategy that can actually like fulfill the objectives. Yeah, like that. Right, and then the fifth one is the managed security services. Yeah, managed security services. It is the continuation of the managed security within APO. Yeah, previously we have managed manage the program. Yeah, within ABO. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. That's managed continuity. Yeah, managed security services. Yeah, the technicalities of the security. Yeah, how to take care about the nodes. Yeah, take care of something like that. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, the last one, yeah. The last one is business process control, yeah. Something that need to be in place, yeah, to make sure everything is okay, yeah, about the business processes, yeah. Because actually, manage business process clients, yeah. It is only an example. Actually, yeah, we have many type of this approach, yeah. Like that, you okay. Here we go. Yeah, this is the structures here. So the purpose is to deliver INT, yeah, operational product and service outcome as planned. Yeah, it is about delivery. Yeah, the services will come out. Yeah, and then the user that already like supported, facilitated by the it calls the about the here operational product, yeah, and also the services, yeah, as planned, yeah, means that actually you already reach, yeah, the phase from go live, yeah, so it's already there, yeah, and then how to operationalize all of it, yeah, and then you will have the new, yeah, we'll have the new services there. Okay, so yeah, we have 5 practices here. Yeah, the first is operational procedures, the second is outsource, so we can outsource as well. Yeah, and then the third one is monitor and INT infrastructure. Yeah, so it is mainly okay. Yeah, manage also manage INT, and then also manage the environment there. Last is manage the facilities here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Here. Hey, why don't you move? Okay, yes. Okay, yeah, here. So not many people are like involved here because operational is more technical things here to do. Yeah, the one who accountable is the chief operating officer. Why? Yeah, because it is about operation actually. Yeah, including IT operation. Yeah, and other operation. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See here. Yeah, perform operational procedures. Yeah, supported by the COO and CIO. Yeah. Then we have also the outsource and IT services. Yeah, the accountability is within the IT CIO. Yeah. Okay, kemudian in the monitor the environment, yeah, IT infrastructure and also the environment, yeah. So it is like the external side between beside these assets, yeah, and also the facility that require to run the software. Okay, everything reside in CTO, yeah, except for the chief operating officer, yeah, it directly they. All right, yeah, here we go. So this is okay. This is manage service request and incident. We have 7 practices, divine classification at the first, the scheme of the incident and also the request, so we'll have like the categorization and then record, classify, and also prioritize the requests and incidents there, and then you need to verify, and also approve and fulfill the service request. So it is about services, services requirement can be inputted by the user, themselves, by reporting to the help desk, for example, or they can also like call, using any kind of methods, to identify this kind of services, to report, so other teams, just like the software development teams will like achieve, the target, and then here, in we have 7 practices, until investigate the diagnose, and also allocate the incidents, resolve and recover the incidents, and then close service requests and also incidents, and then tracking status, and produce reports, so this is the very basic things, about the request and incident. Actually, you already have learned about this, in IT service management, in the whole more complex level actually, depend compared to our business here. Okay, right, the second here, the purpose is to increase the productivity, and also to minimize disruptions, and also don't forget to assess the impact, with service incidents, and then resolve other user requests and also service requests, to the incident. Okay, this is the management practice. We have 7 as we discussed previously, and then uh, we have the like the what is it, the organization structures, how to perform the service request and incident, see here that mostly more technical guys, although the leaders still very okay. Oh, okay, now the manage problem, identify, classify, the problem, then like decide, whether is it problem or is it is a disruption, it's like that, it is different actually, and then investigate and diagnose the problem, using a subject matter expert can be, just heard from the expert, and then raise the known errors, I mean that Yeah, if you like resolve and close problem, yeah, to finish the known errors, and last but not least is to perform proactive perform problem management. Yeah. Okay, that's the matter. Yeah, about this DSS point 3. Yeah. Yeah, here we go to the managed problem. Yeah, already here actually. Yeah, why it is not moving? Okay, here, yeah, about the DSS 4. So the purpose is to adapt, yeah, the rapid, yeah, and also the continuity of the business operations, yeah, and also maintain the availability to the highest level, yeah, of the resources and informations, yeah, at the level acceptable in the enterprise, yeah, according to the significant disruption, threats, opportunities, and demands, yeah. If it is negative, then we will have the like threats, opportunities, demands, yeah, consists of 8 DSS, yeah, 8 practices. Yes, the first one is about the policies, yeah, objectives, scopes, yeah, something like that, yeah, to set up the boundary of your project, right, and continuity, and then manage the resilience, yeah. So you have a close relatives, yeah. Then you need to maintain the resiliency, yeah, by choosing the most cost-effective and viable strategy. It depends on your goals, yeah. Actually, in continuity, we have two kind of analysis, yeah. The first one is the risk analysis, and the second one is business impact analysis, yeah. And then perform like a thematic analysis, yeah, to finish this one, yeah. And we have the develop and implement of the business continuity response, yeah. Okay, yeah, and that's the BCP, yeah, BCP DRP. It is a bit different because BCP is focused on the business side only, yeah. That's why it is like a fire drilling, yeah, exercise, something like that, yeah, to take care, yeah, to be ready for this kind of activity. Then, yeah, you need to take, yeah, an investment there. We have the business continuity, yeah, we have the DRP. What is the difference between both of them? BCP more to business, yeah. That's why I mentioned about the fire drill, yeah, evacuation, yeah, and then relocation office, yeah, if some disaster happen like the earthquake probably, or the volcanic eruption, yeah, the flood, yeah, something like that, yeah. It is called the business resilience, okay. Yeah, and then what about the disaster recovery plan? It is actually the most specific plan, yeah, to recover the disaster recovery, to recover the IT, yeah. So BCP more to business recovery, and IT more to about the IT solution, yeah, to take care about risk disaster. Okay. Right, yeah, and then we conduct the continuity plan training, yeah, review, maintenance, improvement, continuity by plans, yeah, and then conduct it, yeah, and then conduct the training as well, yeah, and yeah, manage backup, and last but not least, yeah, about this resumption, yeah, we have also the yeah, let's see here. This is the roles and responsibilities, yeah. We will have the minimize the business impact, yeah, the purpose, yeah, about the vulnerabilities and also the incidents, yeah. That's why we need to perform this such kind of things, yeah. Okay. Sorry. Here, yeah. And managing security services, make sure that you protect the malicious software, yeah. And then oh, sorry. Okay. First one is protect against malicious software, yeah, something that fishy, yeah, something contain packaged, yeah, package like virus or something like that, yeah. So it is not really cozy, yeah, to collaborate, yeah, with this kind of label, right? Yeah, and then manage the network and also the connectivity here, yeah. Manage the endpoint security here, like a laptop, desktop, system, and everything here is called as endpoint, yeah. And then the fourth is to manage the identity and logical access. Yeah, ensure everything is according to the requirement, right? Yeah, it's the same with the like the bracket, yeah. Okay. Because yeah, we have the fifth one here, physical access to INT. Yeah, previously we discussed about the logical, yeah, the password, something like that, yeah. And also you need to manage the physical access to the INT. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's the things that come from here, yeah. And also you need to manage the documents, yeah, of the sensitive and the auto devices as well. Yeah. Here we have the last one, yeah, vulnerabilities and also the infrastructure for security related events, yeah. For sure, it is not something that actually can be done, ya, according to your eyes only, ya. Jadi nggak bisa cuma di apa ya, cuma diawasin doang, ya, seperti itu. But you need to have a hands on here, ya. Make sure everything is correct, ya. And still, ya, all the reference is risk, ya. So that's it's better for you to reach the risk, ya. Okay. Yeah, that's the portfolio, yeah. And then here, how can we differentiate? Yeah, the A is from information security officer, also yeah from Akbar. Here we have the chief information officer. We have the CISO. Okay. We don't. Yeah. This is the last one. Is manage business process control. Yeah. The purpose is to maintain the integrity, yeah, and also the security of assets, yeah, within the business process, yeah. Whether is it in enterprise level or it's also, yeah. Okay, yeah, they have 6 practices. Yeah, the first one is align, yeah, control activities with the business. The second one is control the processing information. Okay. Here, the first practice, yeah, align control and activities embedded, yeah, in business processes. With enterprise objective, yeah. So you continually assess, yeah, and monitor also the execution of activities and related controls, yeah, based on the risk, okay. And then, yeah, we have also to control the processing of information, yeah. So operate, yeah, the business processes, yeah, activities related controls, yeah, based on enterprise risk. Okay, and then we manage the roles, yeah. We manage the privilege and we manage also the levels of authority here, yeah. So mainly it is about how to control the business process, yeah. Supposed to be in an application for sure, yeah. Application that need to be taken care, managed, yeah, and then put all the controls there, yeah. So it will only be accessible according to the rules, yeah. Just like that. Okay. And also manage errors, yeah, and also traceability and also accountability, yeah. Okay, yeah. So we only have like 6 practices actually, yeah. Here we can check, yeah, the database, the COBIT, yeah. Mm-hmm. Hmm. All right then. Yeah. Uh-huh. Business process control. Yeah. So everything handled properly. Yeah. Can be internally or can be externally outsourced. Yeah. It's like that. Okay. This is the last. Yeah. So the accountability is held by this IT governance officer. Yeah. Although it is actually like a unit. Yeah. It's a governance board. Yeah. And also control the processing information. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Information input example. Yeah. From the domain here. Yeah. Operation like the plan. Yeah. The example. And then service request and incident. We have the like the SLA. Yeah. We have the managed platform. Yeah. Problem. Yeah. Indicate classify problem. Continuity. Yeah, about the network, let's say, and also the security. Yeah, it is inside it. And then we also design the requirement. Okay, right. So anything else that you would like to ask? Service request incident will create some SLA. Yeah, problem with get the problem log that need to be solved. Yeah, and then need to be accessed again if something happened the same. Yeah. And then continuity is about least personal, yeah, that program training. Yeah, it can be also other kind as well, right? Yeah, and then minis versus process control, yeah, to what security services. Yes, I think that's for now, yeah. So looking forward to hearing from you now, then, yeah. Okay, we still have, yeah, 10 minutes, please, yeah, to optimize our time. Yeah, so I see that here we have Nadia. Yeah, Nadia, can you participate in the class? Yeah, what do you think about this DSS domain? Come on, Nadia, can you show your face? Okay, Nadia is not here eventually. Right, let's see.
I'm here, sir.
Oh, you're here.
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. I don't know that you are here because you didn't show any activities. I can assure I didn't sure, yeah, about that. So it's okay, yeah, to just speak according to your experience, according to what you have read, yeah, according to what you have heard, yeah, probably no problem at all. We are discussing the this is discussion, yeah, so doesn't really matter whether it is wrong, right? We have the chances here to go better. So it is about yeah.
Okay, I think the DSS domain is a process that focus in protecting the organization information assets, sir.
Oh, you are very close with the is it mouse or something?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's a bit noisy. I'm sorry.
Yeah. No problem. It's okay. Yeah. So you mentioned about the deliver service and support. Yeah. That's your view. Thank you. And then what about your view, Brian? Come on, Brian, please. You can say something in the class. Yeah. Let's participate. Let's contribute so the class will have will have a good communication. Okay.
Yes, domain is
Mm,
Mm-hmm. Do you still need time to?
like
Uh-huh.
delivery services and supporting the data in domain, yes, sir. In my opinion,
Uh-huh. Yes, yes.
for
So probably can you give some easy example? Let's say, yeah. What is the example of deliver? Yeah. What is the example of service? Yeah. And what is the example of support? Yeah. It is three different things that you perform with this domain. Yeah. Mm-hmm. What do you think? Deliver or service and also support? Hmm?
DSS domain is like a connection from the internet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you bring the example of internet connections, yeah, and then
It's required
something
to
happen.
always be maintained under any condition.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
I think that's it, sir. Yes.
Ah, okay, yeah. Mm-hmm. So what about Berlian here? I haven't heard her voice yet. Okay, Berlian, can you participate in the class? So what do you think
Yes,
about
sir.
DSS? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think
Akbar ya,
DSS.
Berlian Akbar. Okay, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. I think DSS cover area such as implementing application in IT system.
Mm-hmm.
So that enable effective and efficient implementation of IT
Mm-hmm.
system in enterprise, sir.
Mm.
In corporate.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Can you differentiate between deliver? What is the example of deliver? And then what about the service? Yeah. What is it? What is the meaning of service? Servicing something, servicing somebody, servicing organization. And the last one is support, right? So you need to support someone or somebody or some organization probably. Yeah. What do you think about that? Hmm? So do you want to transfer the risk? Yeah, probably you can call a friend. Yeah, call a friend, some of your friend here in the class to give some opinion. Yeah, if you need to read some more about this concept. So, Akbar, who do you want to call? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Maybe Adam, sir.
Adam, okay. Dam, come on, Dam.
Yes,
Akbar
sir.
needs your help. Yeah, so probably you can try to give some view regarding what is the difference between D and S. Yeah, D, S, and SS.
Sorry, sir. I wasn't paying attention. What
Yes.
difference about it, sir?
The differences between DSS, yeah, D is for the liver, right? And then the second S is for the service, yeah, and the last is about the support, yeah. So it is different, like different words, yeah, that have their own meanings, yeah. That's why let's differentiate these three words so you can understand more about what is DSS actually. So Adam, probably you can use mention something about this DSS delivery. So means what is it? Yeah, and then service. Yeah, something like that probably. Anything, Adam?
Okay, sorry. Sorry. In delivery, I think it's about delivering the product or maybe the IT product, and then service. Maybe it's already explained. Maybe the service request or incident. I think it's about that in service, and then support. Maybe support. I still don't get it, sir, about the support part.
Okay.
But I think deliver maybe in the delivering the product or the value of the company. Service maybe about the what kind of service. A service, I think it's different, right? With product or value. I think it's different. I think it's like that, sir. But support, I cannot really explain clearly.
Very clear, I mean? Yes. Okay, thank you.
So you said product or service?
Yes, yes, sir.
We
So
want the
what do
difference
you think
between
about
them.
this DSS? Yeah.
Well, for the product is something tangible, mostly like let's say computers, gadgets. For service, like let's say for repairing, let's say company for repairing stuff containing technicians. That's a
Yeah.
service. Company for cloud service does not give something tangible.
Yeah. So that's a good explanation, yeah, how to differentiate between product and services, right? So actually it is goods and services, yeah. Goods is a kind of things, yeah, that produce physically, tangible, yeah. And then services is usually more intangible because, yeah, the one that you deliver is actually the services, yeah. But in IT view, yeah, in INT view, yeah, we call it everything is called it as an INT, yeah. Sorry, what is it? Yeah, INT service, right? INT service. It means that whether you like develop software, yeah, and then you deliver the software, it is called as services as well, right? And then when you like implement the infrastructure, yeah, and then you support the services, yeah, by delivering the like the configuration, yeah, installation, yeah, of the infrastructure. This still called as an IT services, right? And even though you sometimes you deliver like a consulting project, yeah, and it's like designing something, yeah, or like modeling, yeah, or creating the architecture, creating the plan, yeah, and or assessing the performance, yeah, or auditing IT, let's say, yeah, it is the same, yeah. I mean, it is more on professional services that delivered, yeah, to the users or the consumer, yeah, it's like that. So that's why it is called as deliver, yeah, deliver, because you need to deliver something, yeah, whether is it goods or services, yeah. INT services, yeah. And then service, yeah, service means that, yeah, you need to perform the actions there, yeah. And then last one is support, yeah, support like when something happen, like the downtime, yeah, and also there's something need to be like yeah, to be added to the software that you already released previously, yeah. So you will need to change, yeah. You will need to apply for the changes, yeah, and then you also, yeah, need to do anything else, yeah, to and then if you have some difficulties, then you can be supported by the service desk, let's say, yeah, or the technical support, yeah, behind the service desk usually, yeah. And even you can always ask for anything else, yeah, to support, yeah, to get the support. Although, yeah, every kind of support, for sure, they need the like course, something like that, yeah, to make them available, yeah, it's like that, right? So that's the example of the answers, yeah. Now, hopefully, yeah, you can at least, yeah, try to find some more examples, yeah, and try to dig more about this DSS 1 until DSS 6, yeah, before we have quiz for the next semester. Oh, sorry, not the next semester, the next session, yeah, something like that. Okay, So I think the time is up, right? So hopefully what we have discussed here will be beneficial for all of us, yeah, to have an insight, yeah, how to manage IT, yeah, in the future, yeah, especially for you, let's say, yeah, how can recruit the people and organization, yeah, to set up the structure and also to set up the guide, I mean the policies, yeah, and then cascade it into the more technical things, yeah, just like that. Okay. Okay. Anything? No. So I think because it is already more than, yeah, we call it as three credits, right? So this is time to finish our course, yeah. So please, if you have some question, just ask, yeah. You can ask privately, you can ask according to the groups, yeah. No problem. And then pay attention, yeah, to the task, yeah, to the LMS, yeah. I will put everything there, yeah. Sorry about this, yeah. I don't know, something trigger my my throat, yeah. All right then. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, I think this is it. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Udah kan?